Hey everybody. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. I'm back. All right. So glad to have you back guys back. But let me tell you something. I'm going to put on my little marker here because these files were so long that I couldn't put them all on a watermark type of thing. So I'm going to show you guys. This is a whole bunch of files here for this case. And I was surprised about a couple of things. I had to zip it. It's a zip file right here now, right? Let me go. Hold on a second. Hold on. There was. You see how many files it is? Look at this. Look at that. See all of this? A lot of files. You guys see all of that? It's a lot of files. A lot. Service and all that kind of stuff. Let me see if I can open up the first page. Sorry guys, there's a lot of noise out here. I was trying to find out the original entry. Okay, we're gonna start from the bottom. All right, let me introduce this. Hey guys, it's me. I'm back again to give you guys this update on Mr. Kelly's the motion a lawsuit, civil lawsuit that was filed by a couple of people in regards to Mr. Kelly and Mr. Don Russell. And I'm going to give you guys some 411 on who are some of the people that have filed these lawsuits. This lawsuit, they did it as a class action, a couple of them in this lawsuit. Yeah, if y'all hear the music in the background, that's the baby. He's trying to sleep, so I have that elevator music going on with him. So please excuse me. And of course, you hear all the outside noise too. Trucks and all that. And I don't have a headphone to put to out some of the noise. Let me see if Ruth can get my bag from a minute. Hey Ruth, could you give me my suitcase bag, the one I carried to the court? I think it's downstairs. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna put on a headphone. Maybe it'll lighten some of the noise in the background. My apologies. It's downstairs, isn't it? It's in the car. Sorry. It's in the back seat of the car.
Your keys in the jacket?
My keys are downstairs. Close the door so it takes some of the noise away. Yeah. The music is soothing. Okay. But he sleeps, so remember I'm doing grandma duty of babysitting, right? Don't forget. Okay. But y'all guys see all of this stuff, right? It's a lot of filing. It's a lot. I had to get in a zip file because it's so large. Some of them have like 100 pages, and others may have 1 page, 2 page, but it's a lot. It's like it's a lot of entries. And it looks like Lizette Martinez was the spearhead, because it's her name on there first. But here's I'm going to show you. This is them showing service of this, right? It says here that they served Mr. Kelly at the New York facility. They did it on December 22nd, 2021, approximately 11:40 a.m., right? And they did it at 29th Street in the borough of Brooklyn County, right? They went to the annex. They served it at the MDC. And you see they describe Mr. Kelly, skin complexion dark, male, approximately 53, 6'2", weight 260, and then black. And it says, and then they said they basically served him at the jail. That was on December 22nd, 2021. Okay. That was last year, right after the guilty thing that they had for him. Okay. So now let's go down. That might be Dallas. Okay, now here's when they serve like they serve, who did they serve? They served Don Russell, and they put it on his door. It says affixing to door. By affixing the door, is true copy of each door said on the premises which is the recipient, usually workplace of employment. The poor was unable with due diligence to find recipient or person suitable of age and discretion, having called thereat on these dates and time. So they try to serve them on the 15th of December at 1:55. Then the 18th of December, that one is at 9:30 a.m. Then on December 22nd, they try to serve them at 8:30 p.m. So they tried different times to serve them. And so they were not able to reach them, so they put it on the door. All right, and that was to serve Don Russell. Okay, now I want to show you who's on their list for who's suing him. You have Lizette Martinez. You have Lisa Van Allen. And look at this. You have Kelly Rogers. Oh my God, what is, I don't want her. You have Kelly Rogers on here. You have Faith Rogers, and you have a guy named Roderick Gartrell, and then you have Jim Pratt. Y'all know who Jim Pratt is, right? You guys know who Jim Pratt is? Do you remember who Jim Pratt is? You know who Jim Pratt is? Jim Pratt is the one that what's his wife? Andrea Lee said that he was her brother, but to find out he was not even her real brother. But that's that guy. And this Gartrell, I don't know who that is. I've never seen that name before. Yeah, so these people, they this is them trying to serve Don Russell with this paperwork. Let me make this bigger for you guys. Can y'all see it? The servers, they try to serve him in Cook County. So they were not able to serve him. This is for Don Russell. If you see the name, Don Russell. They filed it on December 1st, and they try to serve him those many times. Guys, y'all see that? Okay. All right, let me see what else we could pull up. This is, like I told you guys, this is a lot of documents, okay? But we're gonna screen through this, okay? Now that was the third sheet. Now here, we're gonna open this one up, and this is them trying to serve Don Russell at his another address here. I guess this must be the business, and they try to serve him on 4/6/22. Let's see what else at 4:45 p.m. And they said they gave it to somebody, a 50-year-old person, male. His color was white. It was, I guess, a white guy, gray hair, 5'9", 165 pounds. And it says served at, gave this address here. So they served him. Not him, but somebody else that was there. Now, let's see what they say here. They tried originally on March 30th, 2022, and they were not able to serve them on March. But on April 22nd, they gave it to some white guy. It says, according to the occupant, Unit 201, the defendant is no longer at this address. So they didn't get him on March 30th, so they turned around and gave it to this other guy. Served at 175 North Adams, gave it to this white guy. Okay, that was in. All right, let's go back. Let's see. And this is Exhibit 21. We're going backwards here. Okay. Now this is affidavit support and default judgment. They want a default judgment for this case. They want one. This is their attorney post. This is the guy. He wants to. Okay. I'm gonna read it for you guys. Let me open it bigger. Can you guys see this? Y'all guys see this, guys? Hey everybody, I'm sorry I didn't get a chance because I don't see you guys when I'm on the other side. I don't get a chance to see. Hi to everybody who's just coming into the chat. Don't forget to hit the like button. Come on, y'all, because I went all out the way to get this. Okay, and this is a lot. So the least you could do as appreciation is to hit the like button. That's the least that you could do is hit the like button. It's not saying you like me, but you're showing appreciation that I'm bringing this to you guys. And shout out to Galatian. Galatian is the one that asked me to do this for you guys. And I'm doing great. I'm doing wonderful. I did my affirmation this morning, so I'm doing wonderful. And I'm also on grandma duty. So I'm not going to the court today. I decided not to go, but tomorrow I'll be at court. So I want to bring this to you guys. So Galatian asks, and I provided. At first I wasn't going to do it, but because this stuff costs a lot. But because someone blessed me, I said, okay, I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. All right. I must be ignoring your text. I haven't read anybody's text until just recently when I stopped. What's going on? Perspective. What's going on? You guys get too sensitive. I don't be reading all these messages. So stop being sensitive when I don't read it. What do you want? Perspective. What do you want? You got my undivided attention. What do you want? Okay, so tell me what you want. You have my attention right now. Now she's trying to justify. You know I'm nice. What do you want? You're stopping me from going through the paperwork. What do you want? You're just sending stuff to me. Well, I will read the stuff after I finish. Yeah. If I don't get through this, you'll know why, right? Because perspective harassing me. All right, let's go in here. Let me go get the rest of this. Take off the hashtag. The hashtag, what hashtag? I don't have any hashtag. The hashtag automatically with my account. But what hashtag do you see on there? Let me see this. There's no hashtag. Hold on, y'all. Let me go look at my thing. Just 1 second. Let's see. Let's see what hashtag is she talking about. Hold on a second. What hashtag is she talking about? Hold on a second. Just bear with me a second, guys. You see how they interrupt me? There's no hashtag YSL on here. You talking about in the description thing? Those are automatic. Those are automatic. It comes on in the on the what's the name? That's automatic. That's not me. I subscribe to this thing for stuff to go out in the what system. That stuff it automatically does that. What happened is whatever topic I'm doing, the thing doesn't hashtag. I subscribe to this thing so stuff will go straight on out to so it could catch people eyes and people will come to the channel since you guys are not hitting the like button. So I went and purchased this app that does that for me. All right, it's not me doing it, it's an automatic thing that goes on. Okay, does that help anybody answer the question? Yeah, I don't do those description. The stuff I do is what you see in the title. That's what I do. It's like a hashtag finder for whatever thing you're doing. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and continue. My apologies, guys. Yeah, I can't blame me when people interrupts. Okay. Man, it took too long. Okay. Exhibit 21. Exhibit 21, Supreme Court of New York, the state of New York, county of New York, Lizette Martinez, Lisa Van Allen, Kelly Rogers, Faith Rogers, Roderick Gartell, and Jim Pratt. Affidavits of plaintiff motion to default judgment, and it gives you against Donnell Russell, Robert Sylvester Kelly, RSK Enterprise LLC, and Indy Corp. Okay, it says I, the plaintiff in this matter, being duly sworn, deposes and say, 1, I am a competent adult over 18 of age, able to testify as to personal knowledge. 2, the facts in this affidavit are true and correct to the best of my knowledge, information, and belief. 3, I am competent to testify to them if called upon to do so. 4, all the arguments of the complaint pertaining to me are true and correct to the best of my knowledge, information, and belief. Number 5, I was subject to harm as more fully described in the complaint index in the above captured manner at 1607 59-2021 NYSCEF docket number 1. Number 6, in this matter, I am seeking judgment against defendants for any on and all damages, including of punitive damages and any other costs that I am harmfully entitled to. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. They're not going to get anything because there was no damages done to them. There's no punitive damages done to them. This guy, Cottrell, what kind of damage he did? Come on now, y'all. Go sit down. Go take many seats. Number 7, after entry of judgment, I am respectively requesting an ingest. Ingest, this is what's going on right now. What they started was an ingest. It's not a trial. An ingest is when they're questioning them to see if they have a valid civil matter, whether or not they're gonna go on to the point of having a trial. Okay, what they're having right now in New York is ingest. Okay, it's an inquiry on whether or not to move forward with this case. Okay, at which point I will be prepared to testify before the court or the jury to submit proper execution affidavits or affirmations and submit all additional evidence as proof of damages at the appropriate time as directed by the court. Okay. I declare under penalty and perjury that the foregoing is true and correct. And this is the guy, Roderick Gartell. Okay. This is what he signed. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next exhibit. Hold on. Next file, we're going up. We're going from bottom to up, okay, guys? All right, this is exhibit number 20. We just had 21. This is exhibit number 20. And this one here is, I guess, Lisa Van Allen. Let's see, who is this? Hold on. No, this is Faith Rogers. This is her with the same swan thing. It's the same thing, but the only difference here now is it's Faith Rogers, okay? And she did this in the November 30th, 2022, which was last year. She did this, okay? Now the next person is, this here is from the December 13th, 2022. And I think this is the one where the serving of the, this is when they served Don Russell. No, this is when they served Rob. They served Rob again on March 9th, 2022. Last year, they served him with these paperwork again, personally delivered to, then they describe Robert. That's not Robert. That's not Robert, y'all. Look at this, 5'10". That's not Robert. And 50 years old, that's not Robert. Yeah, that's not Robert. That's not Robert. That's not Robert Kelly, y'all. That is not Robert Kelly. Y'all see that? Do you guys see this? Hold on, let me make it bigger so you guys can see this. That's not Robert Kelly. They're saying they served it to Robert on the 22nd of March 9th, 2022, right? And they served it to a 50-year-old male because last year Robert was not 50. So that's not right here. And then he's 5'10". Robert is not 5'10". So who the heck did they serve it to? Well, it's not Robert. That's not Robert. And they said personal delivery. Yeah. That is not Robert that they served this paper to. So I don't know who they served this. A 50-year-old male, black, 200 pounds, 5'10". That is not Robert Sylvester Kelly. Wrong person, people. Y'all, somebody needs to check this out. That wasn't Robert they served it to. Because he said he personally served it to Robert Kelly. You see this right here? He says, by delivering to leave with Robert. See, Robert personally. See, true. You did not serve it to Robert Kelly personally. And then he described what Robert looked like. That is not Robert, dude. You just told a lie. You perjured yourself. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, now here is the state of New York. Christian Hansen, being duly sworn, deposes and say that the deponent is not party to this action over 18 and reside in New York. So who is the person not party to the action? And I, on 1/11/2022, your deponent mailed a true copy of electronic filing and e-file complaint by first class, properly disclosed and sealed in a postpaid wrapper address to the recipient. 18. That's, I guess, trying to give it to Don Russell. Yeah, they're trying to serve it to Don Russell. That was on the 11th of January. So they're saying they served it by email. See, notice electronic filing, e-filing. Okay. All right, let's go back. Let's go to the next one, next exhibit. Exhibit number 10. On here, it says, this message originated outside the smbb.com email. So this is the Federal Express tracking. This is that same person trying to show that your package was delivered on 12/12/2022 at 10:45. So they got electronic. Okay, so they show where they put the mail-in thing. Okay, so that's what that was all about. They're showing that they dropped it off at Don Russell's place, supposedly, allegedly. And this is the tracking number, and they delivered from Philadelphia. And this is for the lawsuit, reference to the lawsuit. Okay, so that's what they're showing, information on that. Okay, all right, let's go back. Next one, let's see what this is for Don Russell as well. This is Exhibit 22. Anybody have any question? Anybody have any question? Anybody have any question? Nobody have any question? Yeah, she did too, Vanessa. She said it. She said she wasn't looking for no money. Yep. Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go back. And I was just trying to see what you guys were saying. Let me get back into the paperwork. Get my butt back in here. All right, this is here. This is the affidavit of plaintiff motion for default judgment, because they want defaults. They want it because they showed that they served it. Now they just want the judge to give it to them. Come on, you just can't get no money. Come on, you crazy? And this one here is done by Lisa Van Allen, y'all. Lisa Van Allen did this. I'm wondering, why did they get an attorney out of Philadelphia? They all got the same attorney in Philadelphia. All right, we're going to go back to the next one. All right, that was Exhibit 22. Our final Exhibit 23. It's here another sworn affidavit, and this one is for Kelly Rogers. Y'all, what loss did this woman have? This woman is, man. What loss did she have, guys? We don't know. All right, that was Exhibit 23. This is the next one, Exhibit. All right, now this is for attachment. These are the attachment, what was included in this document here. It says it's attachment 1, legal notice to all public servants. 2, publicly status declaration and correction of record. 3, letter to U.S. Department of State. 3B, registered mail label with green card return receipt. 4, mandatory notice. Foreign Sovereign Immunity Act. Who is this from? Let me see. Hold on. This must be hold on. This is like something that Don Russell would send. Hold on, let me see. Yep, I knew it. I knew when I seen that Sovereign thing, I knew it was Don Russell stuff. Hold on, let me make it bigger. Yeah. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. You know how you just figure it could be the person. He did this on, they received this on 3/9/2023. This is just the other day they received this. Today is the 15th of March. He sent this on the 9th of March. Y'all, I knew it. When I started seeing some of this stuff and I was like, oh, that sounds like a Don Russell. So there it is, Don Russell. All right, let's go. All right, here we go. This is Don Russell responding to certain things. So he itemized everything to show what was on there, right? So he has I read the first three already, three and a half. He has mandatory notice for Foreign Sovereign Immunity Act. Then number 5, United States of America Department of State full faith and credit receipt. Then he has number 6, Illinois Department of State full faith and credit receipt. And then he has 6B is this C9MF047716 dated July 5th, 2019. Then he has a W8 Certificate of Foreign Status. All right, let's go see what Don Russell said to the people. All right, we all ready? Y'all ready? This should be very interesting. Yeah, his is real. Yes, definitely, Miss Pratt. His is real, but I just want to see what interesting thing he put in here. Let's read this. All right, let's go. Let's read this. All right, it says here, legal notice to all public servant. Notice to the principal is notice to the agent. Notice to the agent is notice to the principal. All public servant immunity are revoked as of September 1st, 2013 by PayPal decree. Under international judicial cooperation to prevent criminal activity threatening human dignity, the common good and peace as they relate to improper use of the market and economy, the markets and economy, among other things. Apostolic letter issued motu proprio will be promulgated by its publication in El Observatorio Romano, entered into force on 1st September 2013. You are hereby noticed that there are active proceedings going on regarding remedy in this matter. Any legal action, including but not limited to eviction, restraint, repossession, or court order interfering with my rights to possession and depriving me of my rights to secure in my personal property, thereby causing me undue distress and harm, will be considered unlawful seizure and a direct personal violation and trespass upon, but not limited to, my set forth amendment and claim beneficiary birthright, and will be remedied to the full extent of the law. You are now held personally liable for your own action. Enforcement will be through the International Common Law World Court. You are hereby noticed. And that's Don Russell's signature. It says true beneficiary and dated 3/9/23. And then there's a reference here with Gold Shield Alliance, PayPal, Pay decree, and attention to all parties under oath of office and agent thereof, including but not limited to judges, attorneys, all law enforcement personnel, military, all elected, appointed, or governmental employees, all departments of government, private corporation agents, agencies of government, the Federal Reserve, its bank, and all of its subsidiaries, all government issued license entities, and individual, aka public servant. All right, so this is what he sent out. It says the Illinois Assembly Record Secretary, International Notary, witness 10/10/21. And it says public servant, political status declaration. Political status declaration. I, the living man, Donnell Anton Shadell Russell, affirm and declare that I have returned to my lawful birth, political status as an Illinoisans. How do you say Illinoisans? Yeah. Of the land and soil, and I claim all my exemption and protection guaranteed by the peace treaty signed and dated August 1st, 2021, the Declaration of Independence and Article of Confederation. This I declare and affirm under penalty of perjury under the public law of the United States of America. And it says, Donnell Anton Shadell Russell, all rights reserved without prejudice. And it says he is a witness and it's a notary. It's notarized. It's registered mail given to all these people. And it says, greetings, United States Department of Office of Secretary 2201 C Street, Northwest Washington, D.C. 20520. Anthony J. Blinken and successors. Political status declaration, correction of records. Greeting, Anthony J. Blinkens. I am writing to inform you that it has come to my attention that I was assumed to hold a foreign citizen status as a U.S. citizen and or a citizen of the United States using my given name. I have since declared on the record that this is a mistake, as I was unaware of the implication of being associated with such a status in your system. I am, in fact, an American state national living on the land of Illinois and have willingly chosen to retain my inheritance status as a Illinoisan. I don't know how to say that. Illinoisan. As such, I retain all rights and enforce the constitutional guarantee that your organization is contracted to provide to the state in good faith. Please correct all your records, certificates, registration created in my given name, Donnell Russell, born 12/13/1974, and now living in care of 1826 South Millard, Chicago, Illinois. That indicates either municipal, I got like tied, municipal or territorial citizen. However, the name may be styled. This includes but not limited to tax roll, voter registration roll, residency, military, DNR, bonds, or any other record associated with a U.S. citizen or the citizen of the United States. I rescind my signature from all United States of America, United States of America, USA, USA Inc., US.U.S.A, United States, United States, US, U.S. UN or U.N, records or affiliated agency of thereafter aforementioned that may indicate either citizen status effective immediately for failure to properly disclose. Please correct the mistake and make sure all records and forms show correct accordingly. Thank you for your attention in this matter. Enclosed is one political status declaration, notice of principal or notice of agent. Notice of agent is notice to principal, applicable to all successors and assigns. And this is, he paid the registration fee for all of this, and mandatory notice, Sovereign Immunity Act of 1605 and 1607, notice of liability, 18 U.S.C. 233, 18 U.S.C. 1341 and 1342 is mandatory notice is provided to all territorial United States district and state and county, their officers, clerks, bailiffs, sheriff, deputies, and employees, and all municipal appointees, including their district, state, and county courts, their offices, and employee. The vessels doing business as Daniel Anton Russell, Daniel A. Russell, Daniel Russell, D. Anton Russell, Donnell Russell, Dar, D.A. Russell, Debtor, and Donnell Anton Russell, Donnell dash A. Russell, Russells, Donnell colon Russells, Donnell dash Anton colon Russell, a comma, or D-A Russell together with all whatever. Prematuration and punctuation and ordering of these names are not acting in any federal, territorial, or municipal capacity and have not knowingly or willingly act as such capacity since the day of nativity, December 13th, 1974. All vessels are duly claimed by the holder, is due course and held under published common law copyright since December 13th, 1974. These vessels are publishing mandatory notice that they are foreign sovereigns from the Illinois state and the state of America unincorporated. This is your mandatory notice that these above named vessels are on our material right, duties, exemption, insurance, treaty, bond, agreement, and guarantee, including indemnity, are full faith and credit. You are also hereby provided with mandatory notice that these vessels are not subject to territorial or municipal United States law and are own the law of peace. Department of Army pamphlet 27-161-1 from all territorial and municipal officer and employee who otherwise have no permission to approach or address them. Any harm resulting from trespassing upon these vessels or the use of fictitious names or title related to them shall be subject to full commercial liability and penalty, 18 USC 233, 18 USC 1341, and 1342. Said, signed, and sealed 6th of October 2021 in Cook County, Illinois, the United States of America. Donnell Anton Shadell Russell Incorporated. Witness verification by notary and state recording secretary. And it's Keisha Miller, and it gives a date, blah, 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 blah. She notarized it, and it says the United States of America, Department of State, to whom it may concern, these shall present shall come greetings. I certify that the document unto annex is under the seal of the United States of Illinois. No, I'm sorry. The seal of the states of Illinois, and such seal are entitled to full faith and credit. All right, this is it. And Michael, whoever this is, Michael Pomper, Secretary of State, signed it. Okay, this is the Secretary's certificate. And gun here. Jesse White signed it. And this is the certificate. Oh, he really got his stuff to go, and y'all. He got his certificate of foreign status, y'all. Look at this. He ain't joking, y'all. He ain't joking. His is legit. All right. Any questions on that? Any questions on that one, y'all? He's legit. He's legit. Too legit. Too legit to quit. Hey, hey. Too legit. Too legit to quit. Hey, hey. Yeah. Yep. His is real. Good afternoon, everybody that's coming in. Good afternoon. All right, let's go to the next docket. Let's go up. I tell you, this is a lot of stuff here. I need some water. Let me get some water. Let me get some water. I feel parched. All right, this is them delivering the thing again on December 12th. We got that one already. We got that. All right, let's see. This is Donnell Russell sending. Oh, look at this. Okay. Okay. He's sending my fee schedule, y'all. He's sending my fee schedule. Okay, let's go check this out, y'all. Let's go check this out. Let's see what Donnell Russell sent. All right, let's see. Let me make this bigger for you guys to see. All right, this is Don responding to them, and this is some of the stuff that he has submitted. He submitted his sovereignty thing to the courts, and all right, let's go here. Let's go see. Let me see what you guys are saying. I had gotten an email. Hold on a second. Hey, everybody. Let's see. Okay. All right. I'm not muted. What are you talking about muted? I'm not muted. I'm not muted. I was just quiet. Something must be wrong with your phone because I was never muted. Sir. All right, let's go into the next one. You should hear the baby music. No, you couldn't hear me, not me, because my thing is my thing is not even Wi-Fi. My thing is hard connected in this room. So, sir. All right, let's go to the next exhibit. This is the fee schedule he submitted with them. All right, this is the fee schedule. He says, to whom it may concern, the annex notice of intent. Fee schedule is a schedule of mandatory fee instated by the secure party creditor. Donnell Anton Russell, at authorized representative are Donnell Russell and Donnell A. Russell and Donnell Russell. ENS Legis I, Donnell Russell Incorporated, do hereby set forth fee to be instated. Hold on, guys. Somebody calling me. Hold on. Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
All right, sorry guys. I got distracted by the phone call. My bad. All right. And he says he's going to charge them. This is what he's saying. Do hereby set forth fee to be instated as any business dealing with Donnell Russell. Donnell A. Russell Incorporated and Donnell Anton Russell. For any business conducted relevant to this schedule, fees are due and must be paid before said business can commence. Yo, he sent them a fee schedule for when they're gonna pay him. He sent them a fee schedule, yo. Let's go look at his fee schedule. Donnell is not joking. He's sending them a fee schedule. Okay, they suing him, and he sent them a fee schedule. All right, let's go take a look at his fee schedule. All right, he says here that, okay, let me continue reading this. It says, for any to conduct any relevant to this schedule, fees are due and must be paid before business can commence. In the event that invoicing become necessary, invoice amount are due 15 days of receipt. If said fee are not met, it is the right to the secure parties creditors, Donnell Anton Russell's Incorporated, to refuse or avoid any form of business transaction or transaction. Fees are subjected to change at any time without prior notice. Secure party creditor, he's the creditor, y'all. Donnell Anton Russell Incorporated is the only authorized representative to alter, void, or enforce any fees and may do so at any time. All rights reserved. Donnell Anton Russell Incorporated, American State National Secure Party lien creditor. Authorized representative for Donnell Russell, ENS Legis, without prejudice. Witness and acknowledgement. And it says, a living man affirmed before me, recording secretary / notary on the 18th day of January 2022. Donnell Anton Russell personally appeared and known to me to be the man whose name is referred to in the instrument and acknowledged to be the same. So they notarized that. Okay. Okay, here's his fee, y'all. Here's his fee. He ain't playing with them. They gotta pay him a fee. Hold on, I gotta clean my glasses for a minute. Hold on, yeah, I gotta clean my glasses. My glasses it's too dirty to read it. Hold on. Let me clean them. Let me clean my glasses because I can't see without these freaking glasses. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Here come what Don Russell says. He's not playing with these people. All right. Don Russell said the private easement schedule penalty for private use is $250,000. Public easement schedule penalty for public use is $250,000. These fees will be mandatory upon the informant list on the traffic citation ticket, arrest warrant, detention order, and seizure order. Okay. Produced trade material is name is $50,000. Driver's license number is $50,000. Social security number is $15,000. Let's see, hold on. The retinal scanning, which I guess the eye scanning, is $5 million. So if you scan his eyes, you're gonna have to pay. Fingerprinting is $200,000. Photographing is $205,000. If you want his DNA, it's $5 million. If you want his mouth swab, is $5 million. Blood sample is $5 million. Urine sample is $5 million. Breathalyzer is $5 million. Hair sample is $5 million. Skin sample is $5 million. Clothing sample is $5 million. Was given a fluid sample is $5 million. Oh, Jesus. Traffic, issue traffic citation and tickets on in these traffic nature. So if you guys give him a traffic citation, y'all got to give him $60,000. A warning issue on paper ticket is $25,000. If he has to appear in court because of a traffic citation, the time in court is $75,000 per hour, 1 hour minimum. Did y'all hear that? Okay, I got to see what you guys are saying. I got to see what you guys are saying. Oh, I got to see what you guys are saying. What are y'all saying? He got to be kidding me. Well, he got it documented, y'all. He got it documented. He got it notarized and all. The Secretary of State signed off on his stuff, y'all. They gave him his certificate. Paid the man decent. Oh, God, Miss Guidance in here too. Hey, guys. Hey, everybody. Juanette D. He ain't joking, y'all. Y'all see his price. All right. So we okay, if fine is imposed. So if he get a fine from the court for the traffic ticket, you gotta pay him $500,000. Car and property trespass. If you trespass his property and you carjack him, theft, interference with commerce, this is how much you have to pay. All right. Agency estoppel is $50,000. Color of law is $150,000. Implied color of law is $150,000. Criminal coercion is $500,000. Criminal contempt of court is $500,000. All right. It's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. Fraud upon the court, $2 million. Larceny is $250,000. Grand larceny is $250,000. Larceny by extortion. What do you think they're gonna be doing? Because obtaining property by false pretenses is $1 million. So that means they're gonna end up having to pay him, y'all. Oh, okay, this is it. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Okay, these are all the fees. It's a lot of fees he has here. If he gets incarcerated, it's $75,000 per hour. If he's detained from free movement and he's put on cuffs are put on him, it's $75,000 per hour. Default by non-responder incomplete response is 100,000. Refusal to provide proper dental care while incarcerated. Oh, he's gonna charge those people. If he's incarcerated, they got to pay for all of this, and if they don't, this is what they're gonna have to pay them. Oh wow, if they have to pay him. Oh my Lord. Extortion, attempt extortion signature, $6 million per charge. Okay, I want to see. If he gets distressed, there's duress, it says here, it says service of others incorporated, study while under duress coercion, use $500 per hour. And if you threaten under duress, then use $75,000 an hour. All right, so alrighty, y'all. Alrighty, let's go up. Mr. Donald Russell, what has he got here? What is he sending them now? Okay, this is Lisa Van Allen. No, this is Jim Pratt who's signing that thing for the affidavit, his sworn testimony thing. Let's see what's up. What's this one here? And this one is for who? Lizette Martinez. Okay, that's hers. Let's go up a little bit more. Exhibit number 1. This is the e-summons that they submitted. Okay, this is the attorney that's filing this. It says, to the above named defendants, so as Donnell Russell and Robert Sylvester Kelly, R. Kelly Enterprise, and Indie Bill Corp. Okay, it says, to the above named defendant, you are hereby summoned to answer the complaint in this action and to serve a copy of your answer, or if the complainant is not served with this summon, to serve notice of appearance on the plaintiff attorney within 20 days after the service of this summons, exclusive to the date of service, where service is made by delivery unto you personally within the state, or within 30 days after completing service. Service is made in other manners. In case of your failure to appear or answer, judgment will be taken against you by default for relief demand in the complaint. Kristen Fendi, Esquire. I wonder how long she been in the attorney. Okay, y'all ready? You ready to hear the complaint? This is what the complaint is. I'm gonna give me some water. You should have those prices more. You should have $50 million for everything. Oh my God. All right, y'all, I need to take a break for a second. My throat's itching really bad. Hold on, my throat's itching. Hold on a second. This is 47. This one here is going to be the 47th page of the complaint. It's going to give you the introduction and all that, and I'm going to read that to you guys, okay? Just give me a moment. My throat's itching. I got to go give me something to drink or something, because it's like I got to go scratch it. I got to go scratch it. Give me a moment. Who's suing who now? Yeah, explain to them those coming into the chat what's going on, please. Let me go give me something to drink. Just give it to them. I'll be right back. Listen to some music while I take a moment, a recess moment. Hold on.
Dallas, Dallas Parks, or one other.
Okay, I'm back. A lot of people left. I'm back. I just realized it's lunchtime. I went and got me some food. Hold on. Let me download this one. Hold on a second. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put my marker on it. My watermark on it so I can show y'all it. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I stopped sharing that one. And I'm going to go to this. I'm going to remove my marker so you guys can see it. All right, here we go. Put it on the screen. How's that? That better? He went to sleep. He's still asleep. I checked on him. Ruth is still here. She waiting on her person to pick her up. How many likes do we have in the chat? Because I want to see if these people hit the like button. Hit the like button. Oh, they're doing good. Good job, y'all. Give me a high five. Y'all hit the like button. Thank you, guys. Y'all doing real good. Good job, people. That was my hot dog. I'm eating lunch. All right. Here we go. Thank you, guys. See? I don't mind doing it for y'all since y'all hit my like button. What you say, Ruth? Huh? That's Dallas. I'm right here. I'm in the room.
Oh, good. Smell like food.
I just ate.
I just ate mine. Where
my
baby?
Sleep.
Where Ruth?
In the room waiting for her date.
Oh, Ruth.
Y'all, Dallas is here. Hey, Harmony. Oh, my camera is all over. I went and changed my chair. I got my old chair back here. There.
Hey, people.
Hello. Dallas, say hi to them.
Hey, people.
People, Dallas said,
Your dress is cute.
thank you, honey.
I brought my iPad to
She-
do business stuff.
She come and do her work over here too while I read to y'all. Dallas, you want to help me read?
Oh, what you read?
This document, I can send it to you.
Oh, it's a document?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like court stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
She don't want to read it, y'all. She making me cough. God. This girl made me cough. Oh Lord, Jesus.
Breathe. Take a deep
This
breath.
girl just made me laugh. She threw me off. Sorry.
I set my last appointment anyway. I figure I'm gonna just Instacart so I don't have to spend my money.
Oh, you did Instacart? Just?
No, I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
I'll give you a little bit money.
Yeah.
Hey, y'all hearing some good stuff on this thing. Come on, y'all. Sow some seed into this chat today. Because I just told Dallas I'm gonna give her some monies to get her
Nah, don't talk about
done.
business.
Her lashes. What do you mean you don't want
Then they're gonna be like, oh,
check my
she-
text? Okay, hold
You
on.
panhandling.
I don't care.
That's what
I'm
they're gonna
working.
be trying to say. I had to sign this document real quick.
All right, y'all. I got a message from Miss I got a message from Rob, y'all. He said, this is somebody from a message to somebody from, can I say it's your message? Can I say it's your message? Can I tell them it's your message? Because I don't want people thinking, hey, she got a message from Rob. No, it's just somebody else's message they sent to me. So to tell you guys. It ain't my message. Yeah, okay. Miss Guida got a message from Rob. Y'all, you remember Miss Guida is one of the letters that they use in the courtroom, right? Well, she said, she sent a message saying, hey, Rob, just checking on you, send you good vibes your way. Hope you are feeling, oh, God, sorry. Hope you're feeling God moving. I see the appeals date is out there. Look at God moving along. It's our turn now, Robert. Let's watch God work. Keep praying and keep believing that God can do it. We got this. Love you, bro. Oh, that's so cute. She said, love you, bro. Okay. And he said, hey, blank. That's her real name, blank. I can feel God is moving. I'm praying every day. Go on, Robert, because I know what God can do. Hallelujah. Thank you, blank. Love you too. Oh, y'all, that is so beautiful, so precious. That is so precious, y'all. Yay, misguided. Woo, 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 woo. So he's in good spirit, y'all. He's in good spirit. Let me go ahead and finish reading since Miss Dallas don't want to read with me. All right, let's go. Okay. Hey, spitting fire.
You need to put the water down.
You leave me
You choking, you spitting it out. Lord have mercy. You know I'm a germaphobe. Why you want to do all that when I get here?
Wow, y'all. She get on my nerves. She in my space telling me what to do. She in
She
my
need to put the
space
water down,
telling me what to do, y'all. She's in
Amen.
my space.
She was choking it all, y'all.
This girl get on my nerves.
music's so peaceful.
It's so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, y'all ready? Speaking of great, God is moving, y'all. Did y'all watch Corey last night, y'all? How many people watched it last night? How many people watched Corey last night? And how many people Tim Savage was going in, y'all? He is big mad. Big mad, big mad, big mad, big mad. But anyway, shout out to Corey. Shout out to Sharon Wimbush. Suck it up, Sylvia. Shout out to Sharon Wimbush. She's doing the job. I saw this morning. What's up with Reverend? Reverend Ike was all off the chain last night. He was so mad. He wants Rob. He wants Joycelyn, and he wants them to take a lie detector test, y'all. Hey, Randa, baby, my baby. Hey, Rand. Do you think Reagan would like to donate her swing thing to Baby Boy? Because I need one. I need one. I need one of those swing, where he sit down. He can sit near me, and I can keep him there close to me when I have my duty. I just anybody who has any like things that they have is pink. I don't care. You think I care if it's pink? I don't care. Do you think I care? Ain't nobody coming in here to see whether it's pink or not. I don't care. Ed, pink is just a color. Look, beggars cannot be choosy. That and anybody who has like baby clothes for boy. Now I wouldn't put a dress on him now. Okay, thank you, Randa, baby. I still look, Rand. I might have to keep that thing that I had for you all that time. But no, he can't wear those pants. I'll still send you those. I love Corey. He don't bite. No, he didn't bite his tongue, y'all. Yeah, he did not bite his tongue at all. He did not. No. You know what, y'all? I don't need clothes because Too Sweet sending the baby some clothes, and Linda sending the baby some clothes. I don't need clothes, but I need like stuff that babies use. Don't send me too much stuff now, because then there's more crap in my house. I don't need all of that. I don't need all of that. I just need the essentials, like the baby. I don't need a crib. I don't need a crib. We got a crib. We don't need a crib. I don't need the baby swing anymore because Randa gonna give me that one. But what do babies need, Del?
You asking the wrong one. You asking the wrong one. You can ask me what puppies need.
It's on my nerve. All right, let me start reading this thing here for you guys. Yeah, he wanted a lie detector for Rob to take and for but then he turned off his channel, y'all. He shut down his channel. Hold on. Shout out to Ugly Money, y'all. Ugly Money had Cassidy on there, and Cassidy says free R. Kelly.
I used to play a lot of basketball, so he might got some hands. He might go with it down up in there.
But I saw this before. A perspective. I saw this. Is old. It's old.
Take a close look at guys.
Trying to tell her what. Yeah, I hadn't had a kid in God knows when, so I don't know. You see how old my kid is? My kid is 20, almost 24 years old. So I don't know what they need. What happened to R. Kelly documentary? Jake, it's coming. It's on its way. It's on its way. It's done, but they have some tweaking to do to it. So it's coming. Just patience, Jake. Patience. Patient. Play what? The Ugly Monies thing? I thought y'all wanted me to read the document, the lawsuit.
That's some pretty decent numbers.
You going out there?
Yeah, $11 for items.
Where is that at?
The Faraway Covington now.
Oh, that's
The
too
Kroger.
far. That's too far.
Yeah. If I was already out there, I would have did it, but
All right. Okay, hold on, Dallas. Here, take this.
y'all being boring. I thought y'all was gonna be fun. You on live, roof laying down. Y'all came over here thinking it was like gonna be partying or something.
No, party days are over. Hold on, let me send this.
This is so cute. Your background
You like it?
much better than the sticker.
Ronald and I put it up.
It looks really
You
good.
see how we did it all neatly up here?
Like it looks really, really good.
Don't it look good? Y'all like this? You almost no, it's a company that's taking care of it, y'all. That's why it has not been good. They got to tweak it and all this other stuff. It's coming. Don't worry. It's coming. The documentary is coming. And I'll tell y'all when it's coming out. Okay. Hold on, Dale. Let me
My
see this.
headphones. I can at least watch my video while I'm sitting here.
I have a headphone. You want my headphone?
I got your AirPods that you gave me. Yeah, my first pair I got. I just charged them too. Yeah, they were right now. Oh, I thought I didn't even know that, boss.
Ha ha! I got my headphone. My headphones, y'all. You know me. My purple.
Why are the people that get up at 5 a.m.? I need some tips.
To get up at 5 a.m.
I want to start getting up at 5
She wants to start getting up at 5 a.m. Oh yeah. Do y'all need me to put the headphones on? No, we ain't making that.
I'll put the headphones on.
All right, yeah. Let's do this. Let's do this. You like these, Ren? Everything. Look at this, Ren. Look at this.
Her computer's even purple, y'all.
My computer's purple. My little box thing when I do like raffles with you guys is
Your
purple.
MacBook is purple.
Oh, y'all want to see my MacBook? My MacBook
Her
is purple.
iMac is purple. Y'all know they got the color iMac.
My,
It's so cute.
my Mac. Oh, sorry. My MacBook is purple. Everything of mine is purple.
That's how
Y'all
you
ever
know
give
it's
me
good.
anything? They want to give me any blessings, like Sylvia's blessings, like Kevin said, Sylvia's blessings. Purple. What perspective said me? What did you say perspective? Okay, yeah, let's start reading. My mouse pad is what? Purple. Not mouse pad. Even my mouse pad is purple. See, purple. Everything is purple. Everything's purple. Purple. Perspective says she wakes up but your 5 o'clock is not her 5 o'clock because she's 5 o'clock California time. That's on 8 o'clock your time. That's a little bit too late for you.
Yeah. I gotta get that
All right, let's read this crazy let's read this crazy. Thank you. It's a step and repeat. It's actually a material I got made. Y'all, I'm telling you, this Infamous Sylvia is going up, y'all. Up. The things that God has in store for Infamous Sylvia is all the way up. All the way up. Okay. She said she technically get up at 3:45.
Oh, Jesus. I can never.
She has to be to work at 5 o'clock. Ruth is asleep.
She's laying down.
All right, y'all, let's go. Let's put this thing on the side over here. All right, here we go. I need to find out how to put this on a side-by-side type of thing. Like so I could see you guys and be able to look at what I'm reading. You know what I'm saying?
That
All right.
music will make me sleepy.
Taylor said the music is making us sleepy. All right. Supreme Court of the State of New York, County of New York, Lizette Martinez, Lisa Van Allen, Kelly Rogers, Faith Rogers, Roderick Gartrell, and Jim Pratt. You look, y'all, they mess up the spelling of this guy's name because in the paperwork you see it was missing. It had Gartell. So they messed up. They got some errors in there. And Jim Pratt's plaintiff against Donnell Russell, Robert Sylvester Kelly, RSK, and Indy Corp. All right. The above named defendant, you are here. Oh, we read that part already. We read that part. Okay. Okay, this is Don Russell. Okay, we got here. Okay. Y'all ready? It says plaintiff by and through their attorney, Salts Mug. I'm not going to chop these people name up. I'm not going to mess it up. I'm not going to do it, y'all. Complaining of the defendants respectfully alleges upon information and belief. Introduction. Number 1. This is a civil action to recover damages for serious harm, trauma, and emotional distress resulting from defendants and other known and unknown who intimidated, harassed, and threatened plaintiffs and other young women in order to stop them from participating in event intended to publicize their personal experience of sexual, physical, and mental abuse at the hands of Robert Sylvester Kelly. All right, let me see what you guys are saying. Hey, Sherelle. It's not her real brother, T-Girl. It's not her real brother. Not her real brother. Okay, I was just trying to see what you guys were saying. All right, I'm going to go back. You know what? I'm going to look at what y'all saying from my computer here. Hold on. Let me put it on. Hold on. Got to put my computer, my laptop on so I can see. Maybe I should check y'all out from my phone. That's what I do. I check y'all out from my phone. Dallas, can you give me my stand? My phone stand over there? Is that it? This one? No, that's not the one. There should be one around here somewhere. I just saw it. I know there's one right here. I'll put it on this one. I'll put it on this one. I want to see what you guys are saying. But I want one right here. So it could be in front of
Or just lean it up against your thing.
You know what? Hold on. I'll get my
Or lean it up against your thing.
No, I'll get my tablet. My iPad. I'm sorry. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to see what you guys are saying. Because with this thing here I can't see. All right, guys, I'm going to turn this down so I can see what you guys are saying. Yay! Okay, here we go. I can see what you guys are saying. And I'm able to read. Okay, here we go. Okay. Number 2, parties. Number 2. Plaintiff Lizette Martinez is an individual who resides in Florida. Number 3, Plaintiff Lisa Van Allen is an individual who resides in Georgia. Number 4, Roderick Gartrell is an individual who resides in Georgia. Number 5, Plaintiff Kelly Rogers is an individual who resides in Texas. Number 6, Plaintiff Faith Rogers is an individual who resides in Texas. Number 7, Plaintiff, I said number 7 twice, right? Number 7, Plaintiff Jim Pratt is an individual who resides in Illinois. Number 8, Defendant Donald Russell is a citizen that reside at 1826. But I thought he's a sovereign citizen. He's not a citizen, is he? Okay. Number 9, at all relevant time herein, Donald Russell served or held himself out as Kelly's manager, current advisor, joint venturer, agent, representative, servant, employee, principal, management, company, and or representative. Number 10, Defendant Robert Sylvester Kelly, as referred herein as Kelly, is a citizen and resident of MDC, Brooklyn 8029th Street, Brooklyn 11232. Number 11, Defendant RSK Enterprise LLC. RSK is a company that work exclusively with Kelly to provide entertainment, service, and contracting Kelly's musical performance and personal appearance into various venues. See affidavit in support of arrest at P5 U.S. vs. Russell, number EDNY 2020, number 20-MJ-239. Number 12. RSK principal place of business is believed to be located at 203 LaSalle Street, Suite 2250, Chicago, Illinois, 60601. And upon information and belief, RSK stands for Robert Sylvester Kelly. Number 13, the principal purpose of the Inner Circle were to promote Kelly's music and R. Kelly brand, to recruit women and girls to engage in illicit sexual activity with Kelly. By promoting Kelly's music and the R. Kelly brand, the members of the Inner Circle expected to receive financial opportunity and personal benefit, including increased power and status within the enterprise. See affidavits in support of arrest at P5 U.S. versus Russell, number EDNY 2020, number 20MJ-2039. Number 14. RSK is also the exclusive licensee for the registered trademark R. Kelly with registration number 6246. C. RSK Enterprise LLC versus Comcast Spectre LP, number 17 CV02941, 2008 WL319318 at *1 NDILL January 8th, 2018. 15, Defendant Indie Built Corp is an entertainment industry platform located at 910 West Van Buren Street, 100-352, Chicago, Illinois, 60601. Number 16, sorry. At the time of the act, and in action that gives rise to herein cause of action, Russell was the founder, president, and or CEO of ND Built Corp. and has been associated with ND Built Corp. Since 2015. Number 17. At the time of the act and into action, I'm sorry, I read that already. Number 17, upon information and belief at all relevant times, defendant Russell act as defendant duly and authorized agent. Number 18. Number 18. Upon information and belief at all relevant times, Russell and all herein defendant were part of and played a role in Kelly's inner circle. Number 19. Upon information and belief, each defendant, whether specifically named or designated in this complaint, was the agent, representative, servant, employee, principal, joint venturer, management company, and or representative of each of the remaining co-defendants, and in doing the act alleged herein was acting with the cost and scope of such agency, employment, joint venture, agreement, management company, and or services with approval, knowledge, authority, permission, and or consent of the remaining defendants. Number 20. All herein defendant, including its leadership, membership, associate, actual, apparent, or ostensible agent, servant, employee, and independent contractors functioned as a continuing unit for a common purpose of achieving several objectives, including but not limiting to promoting Kelly's music and the R. Kelly brand, recruiting women and young females to engage in illegal sexual activity with Kelly, and protecting the Kelly brand by, among other action and omission, silencing individual able to disclose any information that could be harmful to Kelly's reputation. See affidavit in support of the arrest P6-5 U.S. vs. Russell, EDNY 2020, number 20-MJ-239. 21. In fact, defendant, together with other employee, including manager, bodyguards, drivers, accountant, personal assistants, and runner, and other individual associated with Kelly, and defendants engaged in racketeering enterprise that operated for over 3 decades, preying on adults and children, inclusive of some of herein plaintiff, so that the victim could be perpetually available to the subject of illegal sexual activity with Kelly at a moment's notice. See superseding indictment U.S. versus Kelly, NDY 2019. Ifilio, this is a civil lawsuit that was filed against Don Russell and Robert Kelly. Number 22. Kelly's multiple arrests, trial testimony, and September 27, 2021 guilty conviction of racketeering and multiple predicate act, including illegal sexual misconduct with minors, sexual exploitation of minors, bribery, coercion, and forced labor, made clear that R. Kelly's enterprise was not only engaged in music, as alleged, for 3 decades. The enterprise, at the direction of R. Kelly, preyed upon young women and teenagers whose dream of meeting a superstar soon turned into a nightmare of rape. What? What? I can't go to Orlando anymore. Why? Hold on, let me mute for a second,
Oh.
yo.
Oh,
Hold on, Dallas is the mute. Unmute. I'm sorry, Harmony. I was talking to Dallas, and I didn't want her personal stuff be heard on the live. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. She's talking. Yeah, I was talking to Dallas. My bad, because you know how it is. Family comes first. These my kitties. All right, let me finish. So long. There's gonna be a couple of parts in this because it's a lot of reading. Let me see. It's a lot of reading in this thing here. All right, let's go. It was okay. It says I didn't like the part when they talk about the R word. I didn't like that. So that's what I kind of Yes, ma'am. What's up?
He said it's gonna be later. His grandma not back yet.
Hold on, let me mute. Yeah, can you believe this girl just, hold on, y'all. Hold on. You need to tell them what you did just now. Tell them.
I didn't do it. It's not my fault.
Yeah, I didn't go to work. I didn't go to the court. And guess what? She gonna tell me that. He
said his grandma not back yet. It's gonna be later on.
His grandma's not back yet. It's gonna be later on. I could have went to the courthouse and
I wish you would have told me earlier.
I'm gonna go back home.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna have to end this because Dallas is about to leave me.
Because they tell us I'm supposed to be doing fun stuff. I just been saying.
Y'all, she says she's bored because I'm reading this thing here. It's boring for her.
Oh, downstairs pacing anyway. This is my music.
Can you give me about 2 more pages?
Okay.
2 more pages I'm gonna read and then I'm gonna stop because gotta give Miss Dallas some time. Okay, y'all?
She had me come over here, y'all. That's
yeah,
why.
I asked her to come over because I did not think I'd be
Ruth
reading.
threw everybody off.
Yeah. All right, let me finish reading this part of here and then I read 2 more pages and then I'm gonna stop, guys, okay? And then later on I come back and do my Young Thug stuff. All right, let me read this. And listen, wait a minute. The person that asked me for this is not even in the chat.
You got your Apple Watch charger?
Yeah,
That's an Apple Watch right now.
I think it's in the other room. The person that asked me to read this is not even in the chat. Now that is so Galatian, you're not even in here. You're not even in here, and I went and got this thing too, y'all. You see how much documents I have? You see how much stuff I have? You see how much document I have here? And she stood me up. All right, let me finish reading this, and then I'll continue later. You don't see it? I get it for you. I thought it was underneath the bed inside of the
I have checked in a little thingy.
underneath the bed.
Yeah, on that side of your bed.
The little small one. There's 2 of them.
Like that little, what's that? Right next to the couch.
No, not that. No.
Oh, there you go.
I get it. Okay, y'all. Let me read some. I'm gonna read some more and then I'm gonna stop. Okay, people. Thank you for coming. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I didn't like that word though. Okay. Kelly's multiple. I don't like that part when they're talking about the rape, the R word. I don't like that. Let me read this part. Okay, Kelly's multiple arrests, trial testimony, and September 27, 2021, guilty conviction of racketeering and multiple predicate acts, including illegal sexual misconduct with minors, sexual exploitation of minors, bribery, coercion, and forced labor, made it clear that R. Kelly's enterprise not only engaged in music, as alleged for 3 decades, the enterprise at the direction of R. Kelly preyed on young women and teen whose dreams were to meet a superstar, soon turned into a nightmare. Soon turned to a nightmare of blank. Child pornography and forced labor. See press release. R. Kelly charged with racketeering, including predicate act of coercion and transporting minor girls into engage in sex. Department of Justice, United States Attorney's Office, in Eastern District of New York, July 12, 2019. Statement from Homeland Security's Investigation Special Agent in Charge, Maria Cruz Melendez. 23. Moreover, when his victim tried to escape, Kelly and his co-accomplices silenced them through bribery, intimidation, and physical violence. You know, didn't the judge, Lineweber, said there was no physical violence? So why are they sitting here putting this fake narrative out, y'all? All right. See press release. R. Kelly convicted of all counts by the federal jury in Brooklyn, Department of Justice, and United States Attorney's Office, Eastern District of New York, September 27, 2021. Statements from Homeland Security Investigation Special Agent in Charge, Peter C. Fritzhart. 24. By promoting Kelly's music and the R. Kelly brand, all herein defendants expected to receive financial opportunity and personal benefit, including increased power and stature. ID. 25. Hence, defendant were prepared, and even to the detriment of the plaintiff, to act in furtherance of that common goal, including of protecting Kelly's image and the R. Kelly brand. Jurisdiction and venue. This court has jurisdiction over defendant pursuant to CPLR 302 because the defendant committed various torturous acts within the state of New York as set forth in that instant complaint and specific occurrence at Newhouse, Madison Square Garden, Newhouse located at 110 East 25th Street, New York, 1010. 27. This action is properly brought to pursuant to CPLR 2158A. Defendant Kelly's fame and predatory reign. 28. Around 1989, Kelly gains his national recognition when he and 2 other singers, all together as part of the brand called Musical Gifted Men and Mentally Gifted Men, or MGM, release a single entitled Why You Want to Play Me, and perform their other musical performance on television. 29. Through the MGM group disbanded, though the MGM group disbanded shortly after the release of the single, Kelly gained national recognition in or about around 1991. He signed with RCA Jive Records. 30. In 1992, Kelly released his debut album, Born, credited as Kelly's in public announcement and went on tour. 31. In 1993, Kelly released his first solo album, 12 Play, which sold 6 million copies. 32. 12 Play yielded Kelly's first number 1 hit entitled Bump and Grind, which sent a record-breaking 12 weeks at 1 on the Billboard Hot Rhythm and Blues single chart, R&B single chart. 33. Additionally, he had 2 subsequent hit singles from the 12 Play album, Your Body's Calling and Sex Me, both single of which sold 500,000 copies in the United States and were certified gold by the Record Industry Association of America, RIAA, a trade organization that represents the recording industry in the United States. 34. In 1994, 12 Play was certified gold by the RIAA, eventually going 6-time platinum. 35. It was around this time, August 31st, 1994, at 27, that Kelly married 15-year-old R&B singer Aaliyah D. Houghton, allegedly because she was pregnant. You know what? I'm tired of reading this mess. I'm done. I'll see you guys later. I don't like this. I don't like this. I keep bringing this crap again and over again. I can't do this. Not right now. Not right now. We'll do this later. Got 40-something pages of this mess. Skip the flush pages. Okay, let's skip that mess. I want to see what they're trying to say happened to them. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Seems like they copy stuff from the internet. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna hang out with Dallas for a minute. I'm gonna hang out with Dal for a minute. This stuff will give you a headache. I'll see you guys later. Gotta go. See you guys later. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.